Oh my goodness. This is the thing. This is the culprit. This is what made it so that my hair couldn't dry completely. Tying my hair down before I went to sleep. I generally never do that when I have a roller set, but for whatever reason, I did that today. And when I started taking down the curls, you could see I'm enthusiastic about what they're gonna look like, until I get deeper and deeper into taking them down, and I realize most of them look like I'm a wet dog or something. And that's really disappointing because I spent a lot of time and effort into curling my hair up. Well, don't be like me. You have to have given your curls, your perm rods, however, your loops, whatever you do, you have to have given them enough time for them to dry. Otherwise, they will disappoint you when you take them down and they won't look like curls at all. Don't be like me, okay?